And we're back to learning Photoshop in year day 252. Let me show you a duotone double exposure. What we do is we press Ctrl J to copy the original, and then Ctrl T to transform it, rotate it a little bit. When I size it up, I hold Shift. We do it for the original below as well, but this time in a different direction, just a slight tilt. Now we go back to top one, right click and use blending options. Here you want to stay on blending options. Let me uncheck bevel and emboss. And now you find these channel boxes. I've shown you that for the easy 3D effect. You can also use it to create these double exposure effects. You can uncheck one box or uncheck two boxes at the same time, and you only have to do that to the top layer. So in this case, the only copy that we've got of the original. I'll stick to unchecked red and confirm. Afterwards, you can still press Ctrl T, move that around, rotate it a little bit more if you want to. Just make sure that the distance is a little bit bigger here than it was with the 3D effect that I've shown you 3 or 4 videos earlier. Let's just say you have a colored photo. Here you have to do something else beforehand. Let me just import this one. So when I press Ctrl T here, once again I hold Shift, I rotate it a little bit, size it up, move it around, then I press Ctrl J to copy it. I'll rotate the copy a little bit differently. And if I right click, use the blending options now, you can see we have the same effect, but it doesn't have the same feel because there are natural colors blended in. So if you don't want to have that, let me delete it. We keep the original. For the original, go to Image, Adjustments and use the black and white adjustment. I use Auto. You can adjust the sliders a little bit more if you want to. I'm fine here. So I confirm. And then I press Ctrl T. Whenever you do that, the black and white adjustment will be erased temporarily. Don't worry about that. When you press Enter after the transformation, it will return. Once you've got it, press Ctrl J. Once again, Ctrl T, rotate it a little bit differently. Move it a little bit to the side, and now right click on top one, blending options, uncheck for example only the red channel. So there you go. This also works on colored images, but you have to use image adjustment and black and white beforehand. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.